जय हिंद दोस्तों। इस रविवार को एक ऐसा ऐतिहासिक दिन है जिस पर हमको एज इंडियंस हमेशा गर्व होता है। Yes, the 75th Indian Independence Day. So, to commemorate this Independence Day, we are going to pay a tribute to the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force in the upcoming week. So, this special episode talks about
the top 10 careers and best universities in the Indian Navy, यानी भारतीय नौसेना के सारे टॉप careers और best universities.
So, before we begin, if you wish to seek a holistic mentoring and do wonders for the rest of your lives, then contact us now at the number shown below. Or visit our website which is www.theya.com. अगर आपको ऐसे ही शानदार और एक्साइटिंग वीडियोस और कंटेंट रोज देखने हैं तो चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर ले और बाजू में जो बेल आइकन है उसे भी दबाएं। मतलब आपको सारे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस बहुत पहले ही मिल जाएंगी। जैसे कि YouTube, ध्येय करियर मेंटर्स बाकी सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स पर भी है, जैसे आपको ऑलरेडी पता होगा, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर एंड इंस्टाग्राम। आप उन पर भी जाइए और उनको भी जल्दी से लाइक एंड फॉलो कर दीजिए। अगर आपका पिछला एक्साइटिंग और एनलाइटनिंग वीडियो देखना रह गया हो या चूक गया हो तो वापस जाइए और उस वीडियो को एक तो यहाँ पर, नहीं तो उसकी भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है, आप जल्दी से जाकर देख लीजिएगा। सो गाइस, चलिए विदाउट फर्दर अडू वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। बहुत मजा आने वाला है आपको, एंड तक हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा। Let's go.
Number 10. Intelligence Specialist. In this role, you will analyze data from maps, charts, and personnel reports and make recommendations for military strategy. Intelligence specialists are vital in planning reconnaissance missions and other operations. A large part of their duties include preparing reports that they can distribute to other necessary personnel. Since they work with highly sensitive material, they need high levels of integrity. Number 9. Artificer Apprentice. The job specification of an artificer, as per specialization, includes working on steam-powered machinery, diesel and gas turbines, guided missiles, and other automatically controlled weapon, sensors, avionic equipment, computers, and highly advanced radio and electrical power systems. As an artificer, you will undergo the best technical training to hold very responsible positions as a sailor of the Indian Navy. Management of men, in addition to the technical challenges of operation and maintaining some of the most complex systems and sophisticated equipment, are the major responsibilities of an artificer. Number 8. Judge Advocate. The Judge Advocate General, that is JAG department, is the legal arm of the Indian Naval Service. A Judge Advocate is appointed under Section 168 of the Navy Act 1957 and is deemed to be a judicial officer. The primary role of a JAG officer is to deliver independent, operationally focused, solution-oriented legal advice and services across the full spectrum of naval law towards supporting naval operations and a sound naval administration. The JAG department is the cornerstone of the law of Indian Navy, professionally contributing to a disciplined force with targeted legal solutions in the performance of legal and judicial duties. Number 7. Air Traffic Controller. Air traffic controllers in the Navy work at bases or on aircraft carriers to direct pilots in their missions. As an air traffic controller, you will need to be able to read complex navigational and tracking equipment and translate the data. To be effective in the role, you will also need to be able to chart flight paths and communicate directions clearly so pilots can complete their missions safely. Number 6. Electronics Technician. Electronics technicians in the Navy diagnose and repair issues in a vehicle, ship, or aircraft's electrical system. Devices may include communications, navigation, or tracking hardware. These personnel need to be adept at using various tools and techniques to calibrate and tune complex equipment. Advanced electronics technicians may even be able to work on nuclear weapon systems. Number 5. Construction Mechanic. Navy mechanics repair and maintain the force's building equipment, including bulldozers, buses, cranes, dump trucks, and tactical vehicles. Mechanics are responsible for installing and repairing hydraulic, steering, fuel, and electrical systems in these vehicles. To be successful in the role, you will need to have well-developed technical skills and knowledge of a wide range of tools and other equipment. Number 4. Mass Communications Specialist. In this role, you will be responsible for presenting stories about the Navy's other personnel and to the general public. The job entails speaking, writing, and releasing stories for print, broadcast, and other media outlets. Mass communications may also be experienced photographers, videographers, or graphic designers. With these skills, you will be able to present compelling accounts of Navy operations to your audiences. These specialists bear also responsible to keep the website up to date. Number 3. Culinary specialist. A culinary specialist plans, prepares, and serves meals to their crew. They are typically also responsible for maintaining adequate food, cleaning, and kitchen equipment supply levels. These professionals usually have extensive experience in menu creation and food safety regulations. Since culinary specialists oversee their kitchens, they likely need strong record-keeping skills. As a culinary specialist, you may also work on a ship or a land base at home or abroad. Number 2. Avionics technician. These professionals are responsible for maintaining and repairing the electronics equipment on Navy aircraft. This job typically includes wiring components in the operating system, installing radios and flight control systems, and fixing engine problems. Since the duties are so important for the pilots and other crew to operate safely, avionics technicians will need strong attention to detail. Number 1. Medical. In this role, Navy personnel are responsible for treating illnesses and injuries of other enlisted members. Also known as hospital corpsmen, medics tend to enlisted personnel as well as retired Navy members and their children and spouses. They often perform medical tests and maintain patient records. Medics may work in Navy hospitals or small clinics on base as well as on ships and battlefields overseas. Some of the top institutes or universities to study and pursue careers in the Indian Navy are NDA, that is National Defence Academy, Pune, Indian Naval Academy, Kerala, Armed Forces Medical College, Pune, Naval College of Engineering, Lonavala, among others.
तो गाइस ये थे सारे टॉप करियर्स। आई एम श्योर बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा आज आपने यहाँ से। अगर आपने जरूर सीखा है तो वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना ना भूले। Once again, if you wish to seek a holistic mentoring and do wonders for the rest of your lives, then contact us now at the number shown below. Or visit our website, which is www.dheya.com. Thank you very much for tuning in today. शुक्रवार को भी हमारे साथ बने रहे, जहां पर हम आपके लिए ऐसा ही एक स्पेशल एपिसोड लेके आएंगे। अगर आपका पिछला एक्साइटिंग और एनलाइटनिंग वीडियो देखना रह गया हो या चूक गया हो तो वापस जाइए और उस वीडियो को एक तो यहाँ पर, नहीं तो उसकी भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है, अब जल्दी से जाकर देख लीजिएगा। चलिए गाइस, मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।